Stop by and take a look at the 2013 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated outside mirrors, alloy wheels, power mirrors, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power outlets, power door locks, power windows, tachometer. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.